Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 21st of May, 2023. Is it time to cash in right now on Google stock? Let's get this thing started because obviously, of course it is. Take a look at the price chart right here. We did a price prediction in Google. It wasn't that long ago, right here on May the 11th, 10 days ago. We did a price prediction in Google, telling you all that price in Google is going to go higher. And here it is today. It exceeded our price target, which is nothing wrong with that. You guys can see that the market in Google hit our ultimate TP price right there on May the 16th, 2023, 6.79%. And they tell you that you can do it. So did you cash in? Duh, of course. That's the name of the game, is to take profit. Now, many people will try to tell you that you want to come in and hold Google for the next 60,000 years, and hopefully you'll have a profit. We just saw visually right now that we were already up. What was it? 6.79. If you were to get on the market on the close on Friday, almost 10%, 9.8%. That's it. Realized gains right there. Not hope and wishes for the next 10 years. Now, what should we do now, though? Now, that's the real question. What's going to happen next in Google? Is it still bullish? Are we about to see the market in Google go down? Because why would I say that? Let me show you all why. I'm going to take this horizontal line. I want you all to recognize something. This area is going to be very impactful in Google. Look at that. All the way back to 2021. Okay, look at this. The market in Google saw buyers. They kept the price up back in 2021, July. Market in Google then came back down to the same price level, which is around $125. January 2022. It tests that same area, 125, February 2022, and then we fell below it. So if you were watching the market in Google at that particular moment in time, when price in Google fell below 125, that was automatic sell. Because prior to, the buyers were confirming that they were buying the stock at that level. So the moment that you saw price in Google break that, you should have went short. Okay. Now, going forward, here we are. We saw price in Google attempt to break 125 to the upside in August of 2022. What happened? Went down. Okay. Now we're here again. So I'm just saying, you need to be on guard. You need to be prepared for price in Google to go lower. It is what it is. Unless we see on the charts that the market is definitely bullish at this price. Because if it is, then the market is definitely not looking for 125 to be a hindrance in where they're trying to go. So let's look at the market in Google on a weekly chart first. So you guys can see here that the market in Google closed off of the highs on the weekly chart. That is indicative of selling. Like I said, we're not surprised to see the market close under 125. That's where the sellers are. So don't expect Google to go higher until we see the market break 125 to the upside. Look at Google on the 2 weeks. Now, from a 2-weekly time frame, i.e. 14 days, you have to give the market that much time to confirm that the market is still bullish. We got an indicator right there, push to go up, meaning that the overall market is bullish. So in the next 14 days, we want to see price in Google above 125. That is what this indicator represents. Here's Google on the 3 weeks. Now we have 5 days and 2 hours on this current one. But what do you think? Look at the spread. Okay. Here it is on the 5. Does that look bullish to you? Yes. Even here on the 5-weekly chart, the market in Google is still bullish. Now, I'm not saying that price is not going to go down. In fact, I'm telling you to be prepared for it because we're at 125 right now. That area is going to be very impactful for the buyers. So be prepared. Don't be surprised if the market in Google goes down from where it is now. So since we are preparing ourselves to see Google go lower, right? How low should the price go and we'll still be bullish though? Is it 110? Is it 105? How low will we? What do you think? How low? Because I'm looking here around like 105. I could do 110 too. So it's around 110 to 105 is where we're going to see our area of support. Now, we got that down packed. Where are our targets? We have our support area 105, 110. Okay, cool. How high are we going to look for the market in Google to go now? Is it 135 first? 130? Let's see. Let me look at this on the monthly chart real quick. 2 months. Okay, let's look at this on the 3. Okay, let me look at this on the 5. The 5 one looks real bullish, especially in the next 10 days and 2 hours. We need to look at that again in the next 10 days. Here it is on the 6 months. Okay. So let me go ahead and do that. We're going to look for the market in Google to continue to go higher. And like I said, we have 110 to 105 as support. So we'll do 110. Okay. 110. We don't want to see the market price in Google, as we are anticipating price to go lower to break 110. If we see market in Google break below 110, then we'll have to let the play go and definitely be bearish and look for the market to go a lot lower in price for Google. Okay. First target for Google is going to be right there around 130. 131, that is 6.29% right there. You guys can see in the magnifier. 130, 131, give or take. Second target, it's going to be at 133.35. That is 8.16. 133.35. Then our third target is going to be 136.04, 10.34% there. Okay. That is it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about Google. Do you think it's still going to go higher? From the chart perspective, the answer is yes, but be prepared from out the gate, price to go down first. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.